Welcome back. It's art time class. Today we're going to be using stencils to make art. Let's get started. Each student's going to need a pencil and paper, and you do get to use both sides of your paper for this activity. Every table has a container with stencils and a container of colors. Depending on your grade, you might have crayons, markers, or color pencils. Inside, you'll see a French curve. That's what these two things are. They're used to draw curves. And then there's a number of stencils. Stencils are anything with like these little bitty cutouts that you put your pencil line through. There's a bunch of these. These are all different shapes. Some have, they each have a different shape on them and different sizes. Now, stencils are made of plastic. You are all stronger than plastic. So when you're using these, please do not fight or pull them apart or try to bend them, because that will make them break. When you're using a stencil, you hold it down with one hand and you use the other hand to use your pencil and trace out the shapes. When you're holding down, don't just do a finger because it's going to move. Use like a couple fingers or the whole hand. And when you're doing your shapes with your pencil line, you go around. And I'm holding my pencil not towards the bottom, a little higher up. I think it's easier for me, but you work and try different things and find what's best for you, because every artist is different. So here I am going through the different shapes. I'll probably pick a few stencil objects like these that are very unique and you can tell what it is, like a vehicle or a plant or an animal. And then I'll draw and do decorations around it. So now I have this, and maybe I want to do a road, so I'll use this to also draw a straight line. Notice I'm holding this down. Also, it's helping to hold the paper down. I'll put this back, or see if anyone needs to share it. These French curves, maybe I want like a palm tree type shape coming here. And I can add any kind of details I want. I'm trying to make this into some kind of tree, like a banana tree or some kind. So coloring decorations is totally up to you. I cannot wait to see what you are going to make. Till next time, keep being creative.